It's not what you think. Okay, it is. I mean, because it is an update from yesterday's exciting video about how this was dead on arrival. But apparently, I got a comment saying that the Switch might be bad. I mean, yeah. I kind of thought it was, because this thing is... what were they thinking? But whatever. I took the Switch out, and I have it kind of jury-rigged knackered and whatever, so... this is only a test. And if it... Whoa. Forgot to turn the... Well, it does work. It's going to need some work. Damn, I forgot. I forgot to practice safety third, but... So I'm probably going to have to douse it with oil and see what I can do, but it will run. But that's all I'm going to do because I don't want to kill it. Do not attempt what I'm doing because I am an idiot, but I can spin it fast and it will get up to speed, but then it'll slow down, so who knows what the hell happened to this. Slowly coming up. But yeah, that rattling is the center badge. Oh. Yeah, I was starting to speed up and about to dance, and until I get that wire either capped or something, I'm not going to run it for very long. Plus, also, I got to redo this blade, so... But let's see if it'll do it on its own. Let me finish. Let me continue working on this, and I'll be back.
Later.
Alright, unfortunately I couldn't go get any more switches, the turn kind, I'm fresh out of those. And I totally forgot, in fact I totally bypassed going to the Rural King and whatever because I had other things and I couldn't do that other things because, well, it's going to be another story for another time, but yeah. Point is, I was able to find another wire nut, so I was going to use electrical tape, but this will work just fine because when I do get another switch, I can just undo that and we'll go from there. Now let me put this bullet hose back, whatever, put it back together and we'll see what we got. Alright, it's back together. I know it looks like crap without the thing, but since I forgot to get the switch, this will have to do. It is flopping around. I might tighten that or whatever, but yeah. So, plug. Here we go. It's going to take a little while for it to warm up, so I am keeping an eye on it, so I'll be back in a minute. I didn't even check the clock to see how long it took, but it did take a long while. And that rattling is at the center badge. I may tighten it or take it off. I haven't decided, but it will come up to speed. Probably because it hasn't really ran in so long. So it's still going to need a little work. I might just have to flush the grease out, and I mean, it still needs some work, but at least it runs. So it's not completely dead, but yeah. So yeah, proof that it will work. We give it some time and everything, so yeah, I got it to work. So it wasn't dead on arrival, but it just, I wish it wasn't, but well, at least I know it's not. It was something simple, like this switch, piece of shit. And yeah, probably the only good thing of this day. I mean, got this fan going, but as for everything else, I don't know if that's going to happen again. So until next time, whatever it is, thanks for watching. Kind of box is open.